you were born 200 years ago, chances are you wouldn't be this old.
Not with smallpox around. You would have died.
Only 30 years ago, smallpox was killing 3 million people a year.
But relax, because smallpox no longer exists. We'll find out why later. But for now, let's go and see our new entertainment interview segment.
So here we are at Surrey Science Laboratory with Miss Virus Lena. Hi, Miss Virus Lena.
Hello.
Welcome to our show.
Thank you. I am honored. Thank you very much.
So we're going to talk about smallpox today. So what is this smallpox?
Oh yes, smallpox, you see, is a disease. Oh, it was a disease caused by a virus called Varroa. And this virus attacked the throat. So this throat, yes. And that's what causes the disease to occur, the Varroa virus.
Okay, so what parts of the body does it affect?
Yes, I told you, it starts off in the throat part, and then it travels throughout your body, and the results are evident on the skin cells. So you will see on the skin there's very ugly blisters on the infected person or people. So starting off in the throat, traveling through the body, attacking your skin cells, you get the Varroa virus turning into smallpox.
Okay, very good.
Thank you.
Okay, so what's the meaning of infection? How does it get affected?
Yes, it basically the means of infection is saliva. Yes, saliva. So when a person infected with smallpox is talking, little grenades of saliva fall out of the mouth, and that saliva contains the Varroa virus. It contains the smallpox, and it travels into other people's mouth, and they get infected with the disease. The back of their throat starts to have the disease, and slowly it goes in the whole body, and you can see in the skin.
Very nice. Thank you for letting us know about the smallpox, Miss Virsalina.
You're welcome very much. But don't worry, you will not get it because it's gone now.
Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Symptom 1. Fever. Symptom 2. Headache. Symptom 3. Back and muscle pain. Symptom 4. Fever. Symptom 5. Blisters. We are here with Dr. Nana today, who will tell us the treatment of smallpox. So, how do you get rid of this disease, Dr. Nana?
Well, when they first started out, they started by isolation.
Yes.
Because smallpox spreads so rapidly and widely in such a short amount of time, they decided that it was the safest bet to keep those who seemed to be in danger isolated. So anybody who was near a victim was isolated for at least 17 days to ensure that they did not have the disease. And the person with the virus, within 18 hours, was given a vaccination. Vaccines actually came in liquid form that could break down and degrade faster, thus being more effective inside the body to get rid of the disease.
Really interesting, Dr. Nana, really interesting.
Yes, then soon a freeze-drying method came into place for the vaccinations. This is when something is frozen, then kept in a vacuum, and the vacuum sucks out all the water, leaving just the frozen ice. This really helped progress further and advance into creating a solution for the problem of smallpox.
So Dr. Nana, I have one more question about this. If someone was getting the disease in these days, right now, what would they do?
Don't be silly. This is the 21st century, okay? Like 2011. Nobody gets smallpox now, dear. Oh, God bless your soul. God bless your soul. Nobody gets smallpox now. It's been eradicated for good, thanks to the use of vaccinations.
Yes, thanks to the good use of vaccinations. Smallpox started out in countries like Egypt, China, and India,
and spread to countries all over the world, except for some isolated islands and countries like Australia.
Sweden was the first country to become free of smallpox.
Smallpox scars are bigger and deeper than chickenpox scars.
Smallpox virus is still held for research purposes.
Historians and scientists think that smallpox first spread from camels or cows.
Let's hope this
Let us hope that mankind never has to face such diseases again, not only for the sake of wellness and humanity, but for the sake of those poor students who work till midnight finishing biology projects.